Hey fuckers, it's Maddie, Lynn Blake Holtz, and Cassie Joanne. We are here cuddled in like a blanket, and we are trying to finish Mountain Dew, Sundrop, Dr. Pepper, Brisk,
and more Mountain Dew.
And we have three bottles of 1 liter pop, and then we have 3 bottles of 2 liter pop, and I'll just show you a picture. Those are like just part of it. Like, then there's one up there, and then one in like my sock drawer. And we finished 2 liters. We finally got it on video camera. Yes. Okay.
Oh my god, this is going on YouTube, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, so now we're gonna watch Mall Cop. We're watching that on my TV over there. So, sayonara. Anything you'd like to say?
I was doing that during gym.
I did that to my science teacher. Oh, the reason why we are doing that, trying to finish those, is
we
have to make rockets, not red rockets, rockets in science class. And we're making them out of bottles. So, and we're kind of late on the science project because we're loners like that. Yes! And so, yeah, there's a drawing of a man up there. And so, yeah. Like this, comment this, and subscribe it. Yeah. Sayonara. Adios. Alright, sayonara. The 3rd time in a row.